Dear students, let us see the phrases usage in simple English. Come through, come through. Come through means whatever you are doing it, you are going through all these things. Come through the pages, you will understand. Move back, my dear friend. That means just move from this situation. Break off. Break off means we can separate. Break off from you. That means I want to separate myself from you. Get through the things and find out the results. Please understand the situation and find the result. That is the meaning of it. Give it out. Give it out to others means you give these things to others. Come off. That means come off means you are going away, far off. Take in the situation you can use. Give back, my dear friend, whatever you are taking it frank and you are giving it back to me. Give back. Sit down means settle down the things, that way you can use. Move, my dear friend, further you proceed. That is the meaning. Move, my dear friend, means proceed further. Turn around means just look around, my dear friend. Get in, please come inside, my dear friend, get in. So that way, these small phrases in a simple and lucid manner you can use in your day-to-day spoken English, so that your spoken language will be attractive for others to understand. Hope you enjoyed 100 phrases. Have a great day.